to the channel, WHOisSheAnyWay.T.V. If you're new here, welcome, and if you're a loyal subscriber, welcome back to the channel. Let's help your girl get to 500 subscribers, on the road to 500 subscribers. Let's go, run me up. And today is the day. It is Monday, February 17th? 17th. February 17th. I just got up. I haven't done anything just yet but use the restroom. But I wanted to come on here real quick and tell you guys today is the day I get to announce that I start school today. And I'm a little nervous. I'm a little excited. I'm all of the things. Like, I don't know, because it is hybrid and I've never really done hybrid before. So basically what that means is I go in 2 days and then the other 2 days I'm virtual. Well, Zoom, whatever you want to call it. And I don't know how that's going to work for me because I'm more of a hands-on type of learner. Like, I like to go to class, have the instructor there, so if I have any questions I can get them answered right then and there. Hopefully this goes well. It's not a long program, so it starts today, February 17th, and I should be done April 15th. And yeah, I'm excited, and like I said, I'm nervous. I'm all of the things. So yeah, I'm happy. I'm just overwhelmed because I don't know how it's gonna go, but we're gonna pray for the best. And I'm about to clean up my crib, probably make some breakfast. I don't know, y'all, because I'm really not a breakfast person, and I'm not really like feeling breakfast food right now. Like, I have to have a taste for breakfast food, and I don't really have a taste for it right now. I'm about to wash a load of clothes so that I have something to wear for later. And yeah, I'm gonna record all of that for y'all, so y'all gonna get to see everything. And your girl is going back to school for phlebotomy. Like, I'm about to be a phlebotomist out here. And honestly, I could have been a phlebotomist twice already, and I'll get into that later. But I just wanted to come on here and let you guys know, like, yeah, today's the day I start school. Alright, I know I look crazy right now, but I gotta wash my hair too, when I get in the shower and all of that. And then, yeah. So I'll catch up with y'all later. Peace.
Every second, every minute, man, I swear that she can get it. Saying, you a bad bitch, put your hands up high. Hands up high, hands up high. Till I dim the lights down right now. Put me in the mood. I'm talking about dark room, perfume. Go, go.
I recognize your fragrance. Hold up, you ain't never gotta say shit. And I know your taste is a little bit high maintenance. Everybody else basic. You live life on an everyday basis with poetic justice. Poetic justice. If I told you that a flower bloomed in a dark room, would you trust it? I mean, I write poems in these songs dedicated to you, and you're in the mood for empathy. There's blood in my pen. Better yet, with your friends and them. I really wanna know you all. I really wanna show you off. Fuck that. Pour up plenty of champagne. Cold nights when you curse this name. You called up your girlfriends and y'all curled in that little bitty range. I heard that she wanna go and party. She wanna go and party. Nigga, don't approach her with that Atari. Nigga, that ain't good game, homie. Sorry, they say conversation rule a nation. I can tell, but I could never right my wrongs unless I write it down for real. P.S. You can get it, you can get it, you can get it.
guys, so I'm about to do a little haul for you guys. I went to Marshall's and I went to the hair store, the beauty supply store, and I got some stuff that I needed. So I'm just gonna show you guys what I got, and yeah, we going whatever. All right, I'm about to show y'all. So let's start off with this turmeric soap, and it's 100% all natural, made in Nigeria. Okay, and then I got some African shea butter. Is it shea or is it she? I don't know, y'all. Whatever. And then I got some As I Am. I got some Curl Clarity shampoo, some detangling conditioner, and this is for your curls, so curling cream. So yeah, I'm gonna use that for my hair, which I'll probably do tomorrow. And then what I got from, okay, so I went to Marshall's originally for a pair of jeans. So I got me a pair of jeans for work. They're stretch material, and it was only $19.99, which I think is a deal. I really was trying to pay $10.99, but I didn't find none for $10.99, so it is what it is. Alright, so then I got this exfoliating washcloth. I got some hand soap that smells really good. It's like honey something, but it was $4, so I got it, and I thought that this was so cute for my bathroom. And then I got some body scrub that I want to try. It has magnesium, shea butter, argan oil, vitamin E. And then I wanted to try this brand of body soap, Rose body soap. But this brand is like really good. I have used their rose water face mist stuff, and I loved it. I wish I need to get some more. So yeah, that's everything that I got. Oh, wait. I got one more thing. Hold on, y'all. Hold on. So I also got this spray, and it smells so good. It smells like fresh linen. And this was $6.99. So yeah, everything was pretty affordable and like at a good deal. This was $5.99. I think this one was $4. I took off the tag, but I'm pretty sure that came up to $4. This was $4.99. And so yeah, that was everything. So hope y'all like my little haul of the stuff that I got from Marshall's in the beauty supply store. Catch you guys later. All right, y'all. So I made burgers and homemade fries. And I made mine a double cheeseburger, ketchup, mayo, mustard. My son wanted 2, so we got 2 burgers. And homemade fries. Still got some in the making. But these are good. I'm about to try the burger. I'm pretty sure it's good. These are all the seasonings I use. Paprika. Of course, slap your mammy. And yeah. And of course, I gotta have something to drink. So. Alright, y'all. So I do hybrid classes. So Monday, Tuesday, I go into school. Wednesday, Thursday, I am virtual. So today we learned chapter 1, which is phlebotomy, and then quality assurance and legal issues, chapter 2. So we did those 2 chapters today, and we have a quiz on these 2 chapters next week. Tomorrow, I forget what we learned, but I could tell y'all in a second. Okay, this is the first week, and the first day was like orientation. to the class and class rules and stuff like that. And then Tuesday we learned how to properly hand wash. We also learned how to properly take off and put on and take off our PPE, which is personal protective equipment. We learned the order in which you put it on and the order in which you take it off. We also learned, like I said today, chapter 1 and chapter 2, and then tomorrow we do the test review for chapter 1 and chapter 2, and then we're off on Fridays and also on the weekends. So next week we get into finger sticks, which sucks. I hate finger sticks, but we have to do them. And we practice on each other in class. And we also are going to get into the venipuncture stuff. We'll learn on the mannequins, and then we'll practice on each other. And then we're going to have a family and friends night. And then we go to clinicals at the end of the program. Yeah. So with that being said, everything looks like it's going to work out. And I'm praying for the best. I'm praying I get good grades and pass with flying colors. So wish me luck. God got me. And he gonna do the rest. Period. Hey y'all. So it is 6:45, maybe 6:50 by now. And it is Thursday, February 20th. I got one more day off and then I'm back at work. So now my schedule has switched from, I used to work Tuesday to Saturday and have off Sunday, Monday. Now I work 4 10-hour shifts and I have 3 days off. So I work Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, and then I have off Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Also, my current school schedule is Monday through Thursday. Monday, Tuesday, I go into school. Wednesday, Thursday, I'm virtual. So yesterday was my first day of virtual learning. It was cool. It was alright. She basically read everything to us, and then if we had any questions, she went over them. And yeah, so now my son is getting ready for school. I'm about to drop him off. He doesn't like getting on the bus, so I take him. We're not far from his school. About 5-minute drive, if that, honestly. So yeah, I'm about to take him to school, come back. I'm probably gonna take a nap because I woke up at like 4 something because his alarm went off at 4 something. I don't know why he sets a 4 o'clock alarm and just let it ring and like sleep through it. So it woke me up. So I've been up ever since, and I have been editing this video for you guys so I can get it out by Saturday. That's my goal, to get it to y'all on Saturday, because now that I get off early, I'll have time to come home and edit and get this video out to you guys. So yeah, about to take my son to school.
You know that I'm solo, don't forget, yo. Why are you recording me?